yet again failed to vlog. I was planning on vlogging this whole past weekend. We really didn't do much other than get boiling crab, which was the highlight of my weekend. But it's Monday and I'm just taking a quick break from work. I was going to vlog kind of like what my week looks like in quarantine since I am still working my full-time job, but I'm taking a quick break. It's like almost 3 p.m. so only a couple hours more of work, and just thought I would come on here because I wanted to show you I'm obsessed with my new Switch cover. Super cute. I purchased this skin. Let me show you. I purchased this skin from stickybunny.com and I bought the whole set. So this is actually for like the console or like this part here, but I wanted to keep that neutral, so I just put it on here. Actually, I didn't, my boyfriend put it on because I was way too scared to put this on myself. It's super cute. So it came with a sticker for the handle. It came with the bumper stickers as well. Super cute. So it's just the skin that's on here, but I purchased this clear case to put on top of it because I didn't want the sticker to like come off if I'm playing it. So just to kind of protect the skin, I did buy this case off, the clear case off Amazon. My boyfriend did say it was kind of hard because you have to line it up perfectly and you use a blow dryer to kind of warm up the edges so it's nice and smooth. I got these little paw print covers, so it actually makes it super easy to play Animal Crossing now because it's like this. The only weird thing that I will say is the buttons here. I don't know if you can tell, but the buttons are like flush with the case, so they're not sticking out like normally when you press it. But other than that, I'm so in love with it. It's so cute. Look at my tripod that I have you guys on. So my goal for this week is to kind of vlog what a week in quarantine looks like for me. I don't know if it's gonna be boring or interesting. Yeah, so I mean, it's 3 p.m. already today. I'll try to vlog early in the morning what my mornings look like. It's basically just me eating breakfast, making my matcha, then working all day. So maybe I'll show you guys more like what I do after work, which is not that much. It's just like working out, playing mahjong. After work workout. Gyms are closed, so we had to get creative. While we work out, he naps. We're at boba. 7 leaves. Says we can't get boba all the time. It's a treat.
Definitely a treat.
Ready to go get some boba. Got our boba. I got the mung bean with boba. Hey, cheers. Cheers.
Taro and mung bean. The Barney.
So good. Morning. Good morning. It's Friday. I actually normally have work today, but today they gave us a mental health day, so I'm off. Completely failed to show you guys like what my typical week looks like, so I'm just gonna do it today since I'm off. Every morning I just get up, have breakfast, make matcha, and then start working. So my routine is pretty boring, but I'll show you what I'm doing today since I'm off. So let's go make some matcha. This is the matcha that I use. I get it from Pete's. To add a half tablespoon of matcha, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and add hot water. taking a break from editing today's video. So today's video that is going up is the review demo of the Conair blow dry brush. So I'm in the process of editing that, and I got kicked out of our room because Maynard is working on, he's doing like a presentation panel for work since he's still working today. Let's go see if we can spy.
Hey, look. Right here, look.
No nose problems. Aww,
Right here, look.
play.
Hey, look, right here.
Oh. It's Clay's food making day. This guy's food about every 2 weeks. All the ingredients are 6 pounds of ground turkey, 2 bags of broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. Actually, 2.5 bags. Not all of the spinach, but probably like a few handfuls. 2 bags of peas, 1 zucchini, and that's about it. So we cook the turkey and then we cut up all of the vegetables using this thing I got off Amazon, which makes life so much easier. Then we cook it, and then we use these reusable Ziploc bags I got from Amazon as well to freeze them. I just thought this would be better than using Ziploc bags and throwing them away each week, so we use this. Always where the food is. If you guys want to see a video on how we make this food, let us know in the comments below. How could you say no to that fish? The finished product. You're welcome. Ending my night with some skincare. Babe's making us adobo, a Filipino dish, for the first time. Is this your first time making adobo ever?
Second.
Got bored while he was cooking and turned into this. Organizing the pantry. It's filming day. I'm planning on filming a smoky eye tutorial and then also filming how I bleach tie-dyed my clothes. So fingers crossed the tie-dye one comes out. I tested one yesterday and it came out super cute. So I have a few more clothing items to tie-dye. So let me film this smoky eye and then we'll go on to the tie-dye. So to put everything away. So my vanity is usually always messy because when I film and I get ready, and you know, it's just an explosion of makeup on my desk. And since that's our desk that we work from home and take our calls with, I have come up with a kind of dump it bucket for myself. So I used these for when I was organizing my vanity and drawers. So I have a huge one. Typically after I film, depending on how late I film, fingers crossed, I'll usually try to put everything away, but you know how that happens, and it just doesn't always happen like that. So to keep that area clean moving forward, regardless if we're working from home or not, I dump all of my makeup and everything in this tray, but this also helps me for when I'm about to film. So usually the morning of I'm filming, or even just the day before, if I don't really have much to do, I will throw all of the makeup that I want to use in the tutorial, or if I have like my favorites, I'll throw it all in here so I have everything just prepped and ready to go. So by the time I'm filming, I can set everything up and just have everything ready to go, because before it would take me even longer to film because I'm like, okay, what do I need to use? What is my favorites, you know? So it just helps me stay organized, not only for pre-filming, but also after. Dump all of the makeup that I used in here so that it doesn't create clutter all over my desk. And I just have this bin and it looks a little less intimidating to clean. So I'll take this container back to my desk, and now I just have this container to put back instead of having an explosion of things on my desk. Happy Memorial Day! So not doing too much today. I have a video to edit. I'm editing my tie-dye, how to tie-dye with bleach video, so that will be going live tomorrow. So I've been just editing that this morning, and I am in the process of making a ceviche. I have the shrimp that has been cooking in lime juice for about an hour now. Still has about 20 minutes left. My sous chef, second sous chef. And I'm just chopping up the cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, cilantro, avocados, and then some jalapenos. First time making it and I'm so excited. So decided to try to grow an avocado tree from this pit, so report back to see if anything happens.